Hello friends, this is Roshna Deepak from Loops and Hooks. Hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to teach you how to do crochet Irish stitch. All you need to know to do this stitch are foundation chain stitches and double crochet stitches. Okay, if you know that, then you can do this very easily. If you want to learn foundation chain stitches and double crochet stitches in detail and closer, please do check in the description box. I'll be giving the link in the description box of my foundation chains and double crochet stitches tutorial videos. So get your favorite color yarn and grab your hook. Let's get started. Here I'm using 3mm hook and 100% acrylic yarn. So let's start by making a slip knot, and next you have to put foundation chain stitches. Foundation chains should be multiples of 4 plus 3. So here I'm going to put 20 foundation chain stitches. 4 into 5, 20 plus 3, 23. Total 23 foundation chain stitches. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So I put 23 foundation chain stitches. So we'll move on to the first row of Irish stitch. For that, what you have to do is you have to skip 4 chains and you have to work into the 5th one. Okay, from the hook you have to skip 4 chains. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we are going to work into the 5th one. Okay, so here into the 5th stitch you are going to put 2 double crochet stitches. So yarn over and insert your hook into the 5th chain stitch and you have to do double crochet. 1 and 1 more. And after that you have to put 1 chain, then you have to work 2 more double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Okay, so yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch and have to do double crochet. We need 1 more. So we skipped 4 chains and we worked into the 5th chain stitch. So here into the 5th stitch we did 4 double crochet stitches, 2 double crochet stitches and chain 1, then 2 more double crochet stitches. So we are going to continue the same steps, but here you're going to skip only 3 chains hereafter, not 4 chains, only 3 chains. Okay, from the hook skip 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and work into the 4th one. So yarn over and insert your hook into the 4th chain stitch and have to do double crochet. Second one, as we did in the beginning, we are going to put chain 1, we are going to put 1 chain and 2 more double crochet stitches into the same stitch. 1 and 2. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. We'll make another one. So you have to skip 3 chains from your hook, 1, 2 and 3, and work into the 4th one. So yarn over and insert your hook into the 4th and you have to do 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2, and chain 1 and put 2 more double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch and have to do 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, we'll make another one. Yarn over and work into the 4th one. Skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and work into the 4th one. Okay, and you have to do 2 double crochet stitches. Second one, chain 1 and do 2 more double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Okay, we are nearing the end. This will be your last stitch in this row. Skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and insert your hook into the 4th chain stitch. Insert your hook into the 4th chain stitch and have to do 2 double crochet and chain 1 and 2 more double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Okay, here you can see only 2 chains left. So here what you are going to do is you have to skip the next stitch and you are going to work into the last chain stitch. So yarn over and insert your hook into the last chain stitch and do a double crochet. Okay, just 1 double crochet, and that is the end of the first row. Okay, so this is our first row. So let's move on to the second row. Put 3 chains and turn your work, and here you have to work your Irish stitches into the chain 1 spaces. Okay, here you can see our previous rows, chain 1 space, and we are going to work the same steps. We will work 2 double crochet stitches, then chain 1 followed by 2 double crochets, and after that we'll work into the next chain 1 space. So we are going to work into the chain 1 space. Okay, so we put 3 chains, and now what you have to do is yarn over and insert your hook into the first chain 1 space. So insert your hook into the chain 1 space and have to do 2 double crochet stitches and chain 1 and work into the same stitch, 2 stitches, 2 double crochets, okay. So next one should be into the next chain 1 space of the previous row. So yarn over, insert your hook into the chain 1 space of the previous row and have to do 2 double crochet stitches and chain 1 and 2 more double crochet stitches into the same chain space. Okay, next one into the next chain 1 space of the previous row, 2 double crochet stitches and chain 1 and followed by 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, next one into the next chain 1 space, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain 1 space of the previous row and do 2 double crochet stitches into the chain 1 space and chain 1 followed by 2 double crochet stitches. And next one into this is our last chain 1 space. You have to do 2 double crochet stitches, chain 1 followed by 2 double crochet stitches. So we are going to end up the second row of Irish stitch. What you have to do is, you can see 3 stitches. That's our turning chains. So we are going to work into the top of the turning chain. Okay, so yarn over and insert your hook into the top of the turning chain and have to do a double crochet stitch, and that's the end of the second row. Okay, let's move on to the next row. Put 3 chains and flip your work, and we are going to work at the same steps as we done in the previous row. We are going to work into the chain 1 spaces. Okay, all the chain 1 spaces you can see. Okay, we are going to work into the chain 1 spaces. So you're going to continue the same steps. We put 3 chains and we are going to work into the first chain 1 space, yarn over and insert your hook into the first chain 1 space and have to do 2 double crochet stitch, chain 1 followed by 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Okay, into the same space. Next one into the next chain space. Okay, so we are going to continue the same steps, and here you have to end up with the double crochet stitch working into the top of the turning chain. Okay, hope you all learned how to do crocheted Irish stitch. So if this video is helpful, please do share to all your friends, and if you like this video, please do like and comment. I love to hear your ideas and suggestions, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.